Right, here we go. So hello everybody. I never really figured myself, I never really saw myself becoming a YouTuber or making YouTube videos, but well, what the hell. See, last week I bought this little camera. It's a little cheaper version of the GoPro. Very good little camera though. But the purpose for buying it was I wanted to show you a little bit of Japanese culture. So I have created a YouTube channel and it's called This is Japan. Thing is, I don't know what you want to see. You know, I don't know what would be interesting for you here. So I'm going to depend on your feedback until I get more ideas of my own. But in the meantime, for this first video, I'll show you one little kind of custom that we do here. Okay, here we go. So this is my living room, it's my teaching room, and it's my Japanese room. And as I've mentioned on Facebook, you know how much I love the Japanese Shoji screen, the paper screens. But it does have one drawback, that because it's paper it can easily get holes poked through it. And my cats are very good at helping with that. But okay, one cute custom is to patch up holes. Like you see here, there's all leaves that I've collected from the park. And yeah, it still looks a little bit artistic when you do that. But there is a simple way, there's a traditional way of fixing this, or replacing this paper, and I'll show you how it's done. Hope you find it interesting. Okay, so here we go, and I've just got it laying. All my assistants just arrived, a little bit late, but better late than never. And she's going to help me take the paper off in a very non-traditional way. I love that sound. Okay, I've got both assistants on the job now. It shouldn't take too long. Ah, there we go. She's just woken up. So this usually comes off quite easy, because this is the glue is just it's just made of rice and water. It's just like a rice paste, and all it really requires is that you get all the edges nice and wet. My assistants have gone, so the rest is up to me, I think. And you should find, leave that for just a minute. I'll get a little scraper. I'll just show you this first little bit and then I'll speed it up. Okay, there we go. And you'll find that it basically just peels off. Okay, so there we have our screen. It's all cleaned up, and the next thing is to put some glue on there. And I don't know if you can see, but the top of it has a little guide which makes it very easy to put this stuff on. And again, as far as I know, this is made of rice and water, but then again, I can't read Japanese, so we're just going to put this on like this. A little bit of a tedious job, especially if you have a lot of these little bars. So I'm just going to speed this up again. Okay, so we come to the last part, last exciting part, which is putting the paper on. Again, this is, I don't know if it's, we call it rice paper in the West, but it's not made of rice. I actually don't know, it's just paper. But, okay, this is pretty straightforward. The only thing is, you won't be able to see, but if I hold it against the light, perhaps, there's actually a pattern on these. So you can decide what, on different patterns, different designs, different things like that. So of course you have to make sure you put it up on the right way. But I'm just going to, and there we go. Pretty straightforward, huh? Little roller to press it all down. And you do have to be pretty careful with this stuff because it is quite fragile, especially when it's wet. But anyway, not sure why I'm giving you all that information. I doubt you'll be doing it over there, but see, it doesn't even matter if you drop a bit of sweat in it here and there. Oh, adds to the look. So that somebody put a bit of hard work into it. Okay, so that doesn't look too bad. Okay, so there you have it. One repaired Shoji screen. You can see it really didn't take that much. I guess my sweat stains will come out. God, I hope so. Okay, well, there you have it. My first YouTube video. I will put in a little disclaimer here. Any of the guys who do that Shoji replacing the paper, anyone who does that professionally, they're going to look at the video and probably think it's a bit of a joke, like the technique. So I'm not going to pretend that all the techniques I used are correct or traditional. Actually, it is really interesting. The guys who spray on the very traditional guys who spray on the glue, they actually do it. I still have to laugh at this. They do it by spitting it out from their mouth. It's like they're very good at it. They get a mouthful of the glue and it goes in exactly the right place. Absolutely incredible to watch. I just haven't been able to find the video again. If I do, I'll absolutely post it. Anyway, that's it for my first video. Please tell me what you think. If you thought it was alright, then hit the like button. I think that's what I'm supposed to say. If you didn't think it was any good, I'm sorry, there are no "it was crap" buttons, so just send me a negative comment or something. Okay, hope you liked it, but more than that, I really would like to know what would interest you. What do you want to see? And let me know, and I'll do my best to provide that. Okay, I'm done. See ya.